it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making a very quick gift card holder. This is good for very last minute gift cards that we have to make, whether it's for Christmas or birthday parties. I know my son has a lot of birthday parties he attends, so I have to make them pretty quickly. So this is my go-to usually when I am trying to create a gift card holder without any dies. Just paper, scoring and folding and matting. That's all we need for this project here. It's really quick. So this one, the base here, I'm going to make two of them with you because it's that quick. It's for 4x9. So I have two sheets, but I'll make two gift card holders, so you only technically just need one. And then for the base, or for the mat inside of it, it's going to be 2 3/8 by 3 3/4. And I'll put all the measurements on the screen so you guys can see it as we work through them. And then of course here's the gift card that will fit in it. Fits regular gift card. I just was prepping and I put Mickey Mouse over here. Alright, so here is again 4x9, and we're going to score on the 9 side at 2.5, 5 1/8, and 7 3/4. Okay, so we're going to do the same. So again, I'm doing two of them, 2.5, 5 1/8, and 7 3/4. And that's it for the scoring. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing two of them is I wanted to show you one with double-sided paper and then the other one with just regular. So I've got one that's not just a single-sided paper, and then I've got one that's double-sided. All right, so we're just going to basically fold on those score lines. So let's do that. You can already see, right, where my beginning, where my, where you would start to open it up, or my flap. So here, just like that. Okay, so basically we're going to take this piece here, and we're just going to take from this angle to this angle. So we're just going to fold. So I'm going to flip it upside down just because it's easier for me to do it that way. But you're just going to take it from one, you're going to match it to that score line that's right here. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but here's the score line here. But basically you're going to take it and fold it, and there you go. So then after that you're going to just close it up like so. And then that's your gift card. That holds your gift card. Really quick, simple like I said, and easy to make, quick to make and batch out and give right away. So after you fold here, you're just going to glue here and here. So let's put glue there. I'll put glue here and right here. And then carry it over, and then just going to reinforce it with a bone folder. You can see my excess glue oozed out, so just cleaning it up. And then we're just going to make sure it stays, because if you move it too soon it will come open, and you don't want that. So right now we're just going to leave it like this and work on this one. So this one, you can see the score line right there, right? So we're going to take this top here and bend it down. Okay. And then we're going to put glue here again and right here, just on the edges. Not too much, because you don't want the gift card not to fit. So now we're going to bend it down, or fold it to the score line, and make sure it's aligned. This one's fighting with me. And then we're just gonna reinforce again. And there, you've got that, again, gift card slot. Okay, pretty quick, right? So again, I don't want to mess with it yet. I want it to basically have time to dry. So I'll leave that alone for a minute. So now we're back to this guy here. Double-sided, it's kind of nice because you get decoration on both sides, or pretty paper. And then this one's not so pretty, no, it's plain over here. With that, we'll bring in a blue and we'll layer it to this one here, just to give it another look. My score, this one was a 2, the mat was 2 3/8. Oops, 2 3/8 by 3 3/4. Right? So with that, this is going to be identical. So I need to make it this a little bit smaller, the white piece. So this one is 3 3/4. I'm just going to go 1/8 over. And the same for here. This was 2 3/8. So I'm just going to go 1/8 over, subtract 1/8 basically out of it. Uh-oh. Sorry about the noise, guys. But now I've got a good layering piece like that. So now we can put it, basically layer this blue here just to give it, so it's not white on white, because that would not make that doesn't make sense, right? And then you can put the white here, so now it looks a little bit, looks better. So it's the only challenging part of one-sided paper, is that you have really no decoration on the inside, but you can definitely mat a different color, you know, a paper that matches the one that you're using, and then double it. So this not only serves purpose of it making it look better this way, but it also gives it sturdiness, because this is less than 110 pounds. It's not that sturdy, so that's also a good thing to be able to do. So with that said, let's glue this matting paper onto the quick gift card. Time to some wiggle room here. I'll put the one on top. All right. So now my son can put something here. Usually it's pretty simple. To blah 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 from Sean. My son's name is Sean, so there you go. Then he would put his gift card in here. More likely happy birthday, you know, whatever. And this one here would be the actual gift card. Of course, I'm not going to leave it I'm not going to leave it 90 degrees. I'm going to put some fancy corners on it. I think they're fancy or just prettier. So there you go. It looks better for me having it like that versus just the square 90 degrees. So with that said, of course I have to close it right. So let's just get Velcro. Really easy. Not even going to reinforce it with extra glue. Just going to put it down and that's it. Pretty easy, huh? So that's one. So let's go back to this next one here. It should be dry now. Gift card, put it in. It's nice and snug. I've made it to fit nice and snug because I didn't want the gift card to fall out. So that's why I made it snug. But if you guys want it to be a little bit loose, you can change the measurement a little bit so you can have a looser gift card. But I like mine nice and snug. And then of course you're going to put the layering piece here, or the matte piece, to give it more sturdiness again, because this is just pretty paper. It doesn't really have a lot of, it's not heavyweight, so I don't want it to be too flimsy. But even though I'm covering up some of the designs, the pretty paper design, it actually looks good and gives it some sturdiness too. Alright, so let me just bring my bone folder in. Alright, so there you go. Pretty easy too. Same thing, I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna give it a fancy piece or a corner. I call it fancy, but so there you go. And same thing. This one is pretty, it would be Velcro again. And put the Velcro on there. And now you've got a really quick gift card holder. And of course, it looks plain, right? You gotta give it some sentiment, or a sentiment. So for this one, because it is Christmas colors, I will be doing Christmas. So this one's Happy Holidays to both of you. I could put it here, like so. Or, since I just bought the ribbon, or the bow, my bow go, you can actually put this bow that I just did a video on, and you can put it right here. And it's done. Pretty cool, huh? It's pretty easy, pretty quick. This one I did put some foam tape, so obviously the bow is not going to go there. But once you make another bow, you can definitely put it in here and layer it. I didn't put it down all the way, so I can't take it up, but and not ruin the paper, hopefully. But you can make a very quick bow, the one that I showed you, and you can put it up here and be done with it. So that's pretty cool. Or you can put other bows. This is just happens to be the bow that I have, but look how cool that is. So quick, right? All right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick project. Please let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully you guys have a good week and be safe. Thanks, guys. Bye.